Well, hello there, my name is Rao and today I'm going to talk about what most music producer won't tell you. Few days ago I bought my microphone, which is the Rode NT-USB Mini, in order to try to make a song with my own vocal. In simple term, I wanted to sing. Wait. Before I unbox this microphone, let me tell you a story on why I got this microphone.
Wait, you record yourself ah?
Kos goreng, serius bukan papa tapi kos goreng,
Gus goreng, Gus goreng.
kos goreng, kos goreng,
Even business now.
Now the question is, what do you think about the the voice?
The
Mainly.
voice lah.
The voice,
The voice is good.
Alright, as you can see, when I asked that's Mahish and Harit, by the way, when I asked them how was my voice in that music video, they said it was nice, but deep inside I know that it's trash. I know that. I know the truth. They are good friends. Do check their channel out. Links are in the description box down below. So I bought the microphone in order to train my voice to become a singer. Now back to the unboxing video. This thing has been inside my wishlist for a long time. Even the box is heavy. Alright, there you go. The Rode NT-USB. That's a detachable base. We have a volume knob right here. I can click right here. You guys don't really care about this, right? Right now you are hearing me from the Rode NT-USB Mini. As you can see, the audio quality is quite good. By the way, I can hear myself in real time. After unboxing the microphone, I thought making music was a simple thing. But little did I know, making music is not that simple. Music making is actually not a talent. You are not born with it. Some people are born with a perfect pitch, but I'm not one of them. But you can train your pitch. It's a skill, you can learn about it. You can learn it. But the downside of it is that you need to spend some time with making music. Alright, I started to make music probably about few years ago, and I started to get serious about it last year when I bought my piano, my MIDI keyboard. Although I started a few months ago, I still haven't made any progress because I'm not that consistent with it. Take me as an example. I started making video kinda like 5-6 years ago. I learned from the internet, I learned from YouTube, I learned how to make a good video, how to make a good composition, how to make my video look a bit like cinematic, and I implement all the things that I have learned all this year to my YouTube channel's video, which I'm sure it's kinda good. It's better than what I edited 5-6 years ago. So yeah, back to the music. You can learn music, but you need to spend some time with it. That's it. That's the thing which I wanted to tell you guys. Everyone can make music, but it requires time. So if you are considering to making a music, start now, because the future you will thank you for starting now. Alright, I think that's it for today's video. I will see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.